The diagram shows a microscope. Complete the table by matching each part of the microscope, eyepiece lens, body tube, stage, arm, with its correct function.
Hey, future scientists! Today we're zooming in on the amazing world of microscopes. These incredible tools allow us to see things that are way too small for our naked eyes. But how do they work? Let's explore the functions of the different parts. First up, we have the eyepiece lens. This is the part you look through to see the magnified image of your specimen. Think of it like a magical window into a tiny world. Next, we have the body tube. This important part holds the eyepiece lens and the objective lens in place. It also acts like a tunnel, allowing light from the specimen to travel up to your eye. Now, let's move to the stage. This is where the action happens. It's the platform where you place your slide with the specimen you want to observe. Finally, we have the arm. This sturdy part supports the body tube and the lenses, keeping everything in alignment. It's also how you carry the microscope. Always remember to hold it by the arm for safety. So there you have it. You've just learned about the key parts of a microscope and their functions. Now you're ready to explore the microscopic world and make amazing discoveries.